Venn diagram. Most of the relation between sets can be represented by of diagram, means of the diagram, which are known as Venn diagram. Venn diagram are named after the English logician John Venn. These diagrams consist of rectangles and closed curve using usually circles. The universal set is represented usually by rectangle and its subsets by circles. In Venn diagram, the elements of the sets are written in the represent circle. Figure 1.2 illustration. In figure 1.2, U is the represented universal set. U is open braces 1 comma 2 comma 3 and so on. 10 is the universal set of which a is equal to open braces 2 comma 4 comma 6 comma 8 comma 10 is the subset of universal set. A set U universal set. Here a subset of universal set U. Okay.